Kay, come on. Oh, palapakan natin si Ate Kay. Kapures, Ate Kay. Yeah, look the camera, Ate Kay. Look the camera. And now, mag-ready mo rin si Ate Nia, our second. Nia, our second dance. Nia, first Nia. Okay, you take a picture now, baby. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Ate Kay. And next, we're calling Nia. Okay, you take a picture lang, Nia. Okay, Rain, halong sa bewang. Ayan, I look the camera. Ate Nia, tingin sa camera.
Nia.
Yeah, look the camera. Ayan. Alright, now, get ready. Mag-ready.
Ngiti.
Our third dance natin, Micah. Alright, our third dance, Micah. Okay, you dance, Ate Micah, and look the camera.
Sayaw.
Alright, and now we're going our fourth natin. Fourth natin is Joella. Okay, Joella. Okay, talagin po natin. Okay, Joella, come on. Okay, thank you, Ate Joella. And now, we're calling our fifth dance natin, Jolina. Alright, Ate Jolina. Okay, wait, halong sa bewang. Hello ka camera. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Ngiti dyan.
Seven.
Rain. Ngiti ka rin.
Alright, and now we're calling our sixth dance natin. I'm calling Kay. Our sixth dance natin. Ate Kay, come on. Alright, Rain, halong sa bewang.
Low battery. Please charge.
Pag-charge mo natin yung ating Bluetooth speaker.
Pitang. Tingin ka dito, pitang. Ngiti.
Ay, sir, charge mo natin para po. Alright, and now we're calling our sixth dance natin, Kate. Okay, naman si Kate. Our last para natin is Christian. To complete our seventh dance. Alright guys, palakpakan po natin our seventh dance natin. Clap your hands. And now, we got a group picture recalling our
Sayaw kayo.
Si Micah, si Gisela, Jolina, and Kate. Then Christian, come over here to our group picture.